private money lenders are going to be the best source of cash, the cheapest source of cash for your real estate investing business. And especially in today's market, just the way the financial world is and such, using private money in your real estate investing business can make a huge, huge impact. So let's go over a few of the advantages. Best terms. With a private lender, the terms that you lay out on the table to them is whatever you come up with based on the deal you have. A buddy of mine, Trevor, he recently had a deal where the cash that he needed to close it, I believe it was $10,000, the way he had structured the deal. And he brought in a private money lender. It was I believe it was a family member, so someone that knew and trusted him, to put up that money. And the loan, I believe it was either, I think it was either 6 or 8% annualized return over a 20-year term. Over a 20-year term. That is what I'm talking about. That's some good, solid private money. And just because that was a small amount doesn't mean that you can't get a large amount. Private money lenders come in all shapes and sizes. So you establish the terms of the deal. If you want a loan with a 1-year term for X dollars, and it's going to be payable at 8% annualized return, lump sum due in 1 year, that's the terms. And if you sit down with enough people, if you've got a great deal on your plate, you sit down with enough people, someone's going to put up that cash for you. So you establish the terms here. You're the boss. You're in control. Flexible. Extremely flexible. Typically, private money lenders, I mean, they're kind of in it as a teammate with you in the game. Unlike hard money lenders, come at it from more of a business minded and business aspect. A private lender, if you need to meet with them to talk about working with you based on the property, based on the situation, typically they're going to be available to do so. Easy qualifying process. You're not jumping through all the hoops and jumping over the hurdles that especially traditional banks and such have these days. And you're not checking your credit and putting your credit on the line. These are people that, again, they are investing just like a hard money lender. They're investing on the deal that you bring them more than the person themselves. And there's virtually an unlimited supply of potential private money lenders out there. And you would be surprised. I bet that in your phone right now, you could scroll through, and if you had the system in place to know how to talk to them, what to say, what not to say, and you had a deal on your plate, I bet you could get the deal financed like that. Private money is an incredible addition to your financing arsenal that you can add in there. It's made a profound effect in our buying over the years, and I hope that it can do the same for you.